is resource management, garbage management. आणि हांगा 3 सरपंच आहे आणि पंचायताचे वांगडी आहे आणि काय NGO आमचे आहे आणि आम्ही गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम जे आहा हाऊ टू सेटल इट लोकांमध्ये जागृताय हाडपाची मेक इट गार्बेज फ्री मेक इट प्लास्टिक फ्री हाचेर आमी चर्चा केल्या ते प्रमाणे वी विल स्टार्ट द कॅम्पेन आफ्टर द नावेली फीस्ट wherein we will involve the schools, the colleges, the higher secondaries, the NGOs and the people of the constituency. Eyes meeting in Naveli Zala because Naveli Panchayat would like to give a leadership in Telauli Panchayat together. And they want to have a nice plant within 1000 square meters of area. Similarly, here we have got a housing board which is creating the highest garbage in the constituency. So they will have their own dedicated garbage treatment plant. And she is also going to put up to the Gram Sabha. In fact, the engineer from the housing board is here. They have got 18,800 square meters, so there is no dearth of place. Here also they will find out some place in Naveli, Telauli. And similarly, we would like to do it in Davarli and Akebaish. Davarli, I will discuss with them. And we will work out. Right now, they are very agitated because.
But other panchayat should come to at least Naveli level. So, हे मातशें करपाची गरज. आता बेनी जर तूं तेलावली करता कलेक्शन, तें अशें जावपाक जाय. तेलावली कितले वॉर्ड आहा? तो एका दिसा एक वॉर्डान वचपाक जाय. सामकें करपाक जाय हाऊस टू हाऊस. तो वॉर्ड मेंबर कितें करतलो? ताचे ड्रॉ करतलो वॉर्ड. वॉर्डान आमी ताका हेल्प करतले यो प्लांटार आमी बसया रूट करपाक जाय बाबा तो बेनी हुंयचो रूट घेतलो नाजाल्यार तो जाय थी मेता ना मार्क करपाक जाय ते मॅप दिवपाक जाय आनी तो मॅप अटॅच करून तो विलेज मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन जातलो तो ग्राम सभेत घाला अप्रूव करा हुंयचो यो नी मागीर इन्स्टिट्यूशनलाइज
ward wise
yes sir
better
yes sir
one question regarding road what else
yes
you are saying also
and the power I was talking there and the power is there with the secretary.
This problem starts in every house. So you have to have awareness and consciousness in every house. Now in order to create this consciousness, I have announced that in Naveli constituency there are around 35 to 40 wards. And the best ward I'm going to give a prize of 1 lakh rupees for the best ward which has got best garbage treatment, sewerage treatment, otherwise for the cleanliness. Because my slogan is
any time frame
clean, green, healthy and safe constituency. Clean, green, healthy and safe constituency. Now he has asked about a time frame. We are going to launch the garbage initiative, treatment initiative after the Naveli feast, and it will be launched with the help of the public, with the help of the panchayat members, with the help of NGOs, and with the help of the educational institutions.
Suggestion
ना
plan setup.
ड्राय वेस्टाचे सजेशन तांकां मान्य आहा नावेली पंचायत ड्राय वेस्ट कलेक्ट करून जाय तशें दिता वेट वेस्टाचो इश्यू जाल्लो आहा जायते 4-5 पंचायती एकठांय करून एक सोल्युशन हाडपाक एक सजेशन आयिल्लें आहा नाहीतर नावेली आनी तेलावली एकठांय येवन तांकां एक जागा आयडेंटिफाय करून थंयसर एक बायोडायजेस्टर घालून तांचोच प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करून तो आनी एक सजेशन आयिल्लें आहा पंचायतचे वांगडी तांचो आमदार तांचे सरपंच जे आहा ते बसून आयडेंटिफाय करून तांची NOC सरकारा कडेन पावोवन हो एक प्रपोजल बेगीच येवंक शकता. A lot of awareness has been generated in villages of Goa. Today was a day where with the Honorable MLA of Naveli, a lot of panchayats, their sarpanches, their members, their secretaries have come together to discuss how to solve and how to tackle the waste problem in this part of the town. A lot of discussion has happened. We have talked about how dry waste will be collected door to door. how it will be picked up by the Waste Management Corporation and taken. For wet waste, a solution of a biodigester has been discussed and found appropriate. Panchayats are going back to their drawing board, identifying a suitable land for this. We will come back, see the land, design a proposal and see that the village, a whole village solution is come. A lot of awareness has happened. There is a lot of drive in this constituency here in these 5 panchayats. I think we will capitalize on this initiative and work for a sustainable solution for Naveli.